Hey boys and girls, we are going to do the letter sound ooh. What sound? Ooh. What sound? Ooh. What sound? Ooh. How do I write ooh? L. So we're doing all the pictures that start like ooh at the beginning or the first sound of the word. If it does not start like ooh, we're not going to put it in our chart. Let's start right here, over here with this bug called a ladybug. Should we put ladybug in our circle? I'm listening for pictures that starts like ooh for L. Ooh, ladybug. All right, tell me, yes or no. I want to hear everybody. Should I put it in my chart? If you said yes, kiss your brain. Ooh, ladybug. What sound? Ooh, what sound? Ooh, what sound? Ooh. How do I write ooh? L, ladybug. Ladybug, ladybug. Alright, this next one is hammer. Hammer. Does that start like ooh for L? Ooh, hammer. Yes or no? If you said no, kiss your brain. I'm going to put it at the bottom. I don't want that one because that starts like for H. Let's try another one. This one here. Vase. Vase. Does vase start like ooh for L? Vase. Yes or no? Should I put it in my chart? No, it starts like V for V. I'm going to put it down at the bottom. This next one is called a light bulb. Light bulb. Listen to the first sound. Light bulb. I'm looking for all the pictures that start with ooh. Light bulb. Should I put it in my circle? If you said yes, you are right. Kiss your brain. So I'm going to put it in there. And then I'm going to move these other pictures so I can write it. All right, everybody say it with me. You've got to say the sounds or you won't learn them. Practice with me. What sound? Ooh. What sound? Ooh. What sound? Ooh. How do I write ooh? L. All right, light bulb. LIGHTBULB. Light bulb. I have ladybug, light bulb. Let's go to this picture right here that I'm moving. Lollipop. Lollipop. I'm listening for the first sound. Ooh, does lollipop start with ooh? Lollipop. Yes, kiss your brain. So I need to move it into our circle. What sound? Ooh. What sound? Ooh. What sound? Ooh. How do I write ooh? L. Lollipop. 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 All right, we're going to keep on going. My next picture. Whoops, I made a mark on it. My next picture, I forgot to get my hand tool to grab it, is lock. Lock, like a lock on a safe or a diary or a door or a locker. Lock. We're listening for the first sound, ooh. What sound? Ooh, and the word is lock. Lock. Should I put it on my circle chart? Yes or no? What do you think? Yes, lock. Lock. What sound? Ooh. What sound? Ooh. What sound? Ooh. How do I write? Ooh. L. Lock. 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 Let's read our pictures. Ladybug. Repeat after me. Ladybug. Light bulb. Lollipop. Lock. All right, our last picture on this side. Pencil. 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 Does pencil start like ooh? No, it starts like P for P. So we'll put it down at the bottom. I don't want that one. All right, let's come over here to this picture I have at the bottom. Stamp. That's a stamp. Do I need to put it on my chart for ooh? It's a stamp. Yes or no? No, that starts like for stamp. So I'm going to move it off to the side. All right, my next picture here is a ladder. Ladder. Should I move it to our circle chart for ooh if it's a ladder? Yes or no? Yes, let's move it into our chart. What sound? Ooh. What sound? Ooh. What sound? Ooh. How do I write ooh? L, ladder, L, A, D, D, E, R, ladder. Let's read our pictures. Ladybug, repeat after me. Ladybug, light bulb, lollipop, lock, ladder. All right, our next picture is a fruit called a lemon. Lemon. All right, boys and girls, should I put lemon in our chart? What do you think? Yes or no? Yes. Let's move her in there. She starts like ooh. What sound? Ooh. What sound? Ooh. What sound? Ooh. How do I write ooh? L. Lemon. L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. Very good. Let's read our picture. Start with ladybug. Repeat after me. Ladybug, light bulb, lollipop, lock, ladder, lemon. Kiss your brain. All right, I have a leaf. Leaf. Should I put leaf in our circle chart for leaf? Yes, so I'm going to move it into our circle chart. What sound? Ooh. What sound? Ooh. What sound? Ooh. How do I write ooh? L, leaf. L, E, A, F, leaf. All right, last picture. Ready? Ooh. I was trying to move it and I made it big. All right, what is that? It's a lion. Lion. Does lion go on our circle chart? Lion. Does it start like ooh? Yes or no? If you said yes, kiss your brain. We're going to squeeze them in there. We're almost out of room. Lion. Everybody say the sound. Ready? What sound? Ooh. What sound? Ooh. What sound? Ooh. How do I write ooh? L. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. All right, let's go back and read all of our pictures. Repeat after me. We're going to start with ladybug. We're going to go around the circle like we're reading it like a clock. Ready? Repeat after me. Ladybug, light bulb, lollipop, lock, ladder, lemon, leaf, lion. All right, boys and girls, one more time. What sound? Ooh. What sound? Ooh. What sound? Ooh. How do I write ooh? L. So we did letter L for ooh today. All right, boys and girls, see you later.